In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new section in Webflow, an essential skill for anyone looking to expand or customize their web projects. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, adding new sections allows you to organize your site content effectively, ensuring it looks polished and professional. First things first, let's get you logged into Webflow. You'll need to start by entering your login credentials on the Webflow website. If you don't have an account, I recommend setting one up, as it's one of the most intuitive platforms for web design today. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your Webflow dashboard. The dashboard is your control center, displaying all your projects. It's where you can manage your sites, track and organize your workflow, and make any necessary updates. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already, as it will be your hub for most activities within Webflow. Now, scope out the project you want to work on. All your projects will be listed here, so find the one you wish to edit. Hover over it, and click to open your workspace for that specific project. Next, let's introduce the new section. To do this, look towards the Add panel, typically located on the left side of your interface. Within this panel, you'll find a variety of options. What we're interested in is the section element. Located under the Structure section, these are foundational components for building your web page layout. This section element is very handy for organizing content because it allows you to group other elements neatly within distinct areas of your page. Once you've found the section element, click and hold, then drag it onto your canvas. This canvas is your design playground, where you'll see a real-time visual of your web page. Position it exactly where you envision this new section fitting in your design. The flexibility of Webflow's drag-and-drop feature makes this process straightforward and quite satisfying. With the new section in place, it's time to bring it to life. Click inside the newly added section to activate it. This step is where your creativity really comes into play. You can start populating this section with various elements, be it text, images, buttons, or any other components Webflow offers. Simply select the elements you wish to include from the Add panel and employ the same easy drag and drop method to position them inside your section. Take your time to style this section according to your overall site theme or design preference. Adjust fonts, colors, backgrounds, and content layout until you're satisfied with the look. And there you have it, a new section added to your Webflow project, all in just a few simple steps. With practice, this process will become second nature, enabling you to enhance and enrich your web designs with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy designing in Webflow.